support sila parang pagkain tayo.
Ang sarap ng ano eh. Buti nga hindi maulan eh. Hi! Inom na ng Bonamine. Ang mga mahihilo-hilo. Kayo, di kayo inom? Inom, gusto mo ba ng Bonamine?
Hindi, gusto mo ba? Masalik.
Pa to. Ayan. Saan naman siya? Natin.
Ako las. Gusto ka na ko.
Kasya ba tayo? Ilang biyahe ito?
Kulit yung dalawa eh. Ang ingay nung...
Sino ba? Yung foreigner? Kaya pala mo yung sabi ko ang baho. Ingat. Good evening po. Sisling sisig.
Pork belly with rice. And then, isang pork barbecue skewer with rice. Tapos,
Good morning, El Nido. Morning guys. So as promised, mag-room tour tayo. So medyo makalat na. Meron dyang small table. So bumili kami ng water para hindi kami alam niyo yun, yung issue sa water dito sa El Nido. So bumili kami ng tubig namin. Then nagdala kami ng tumbler. Tapos ayan, bed. I think it's double bed. Yes. Tapos, may TV dito. And then, ayan, pagpasok, ayan yung pinto. May mirror. And then, merong maliit na shelf dyan para sa gamit. And then, ayan na yung maleta namin. Medyo makalat na dito sa part na to kasi nilabas na namin yung iba naming gamit. So, yan. Meron lang kayong small cabinet or ano ba tawag dyan? Basta yun. Na pwedeng lagyan ng mga gamit nyo. And then, ito na yung CR. So, again, medyo makalat na kasi nagamit na namin siya. So, ayan yung CR. May hot and cold shower. Tapos, ayan yung mirror. Hello. Ang gulo ng hair ko. Tapos, ayan, merong sink. Tapos, ayan, trash can. So, after nun, merong aircon and fan, ceiling fan. And dito yung pinaka the best talaga. Charan! Ayun si Sai. Beachfront yung nakuha namin. Hi, Sai! Good morning! Okay. Ayan yung view namin dito sa umaga. Tapos, ayan, meron kaming small table and chair dito. Yung si Sai kumakain ng itlog. $230 tsaka $220. Tapos yung cafe latte, $120.
Tsaka
Hello! Annyeong!
ay, anyong.
It's our day 2 in El Nido.
Okay. Hindi ko naman naramdaman yung day 1.
Hindi na. Dito pa ako dyan.
Oo naman.
Wide yan. Wide angle yan.
Angle.
Anong first trip natin? We're doing Tour A here in El Nido. Ako dito tayo sasakay.
Dynamite.
Hey, grabe naman talaga naman kayo. Vloggers naman itong isang to. Graba pics. Mahaba kasi kami. Magsalita ka.
Anyong nga tayo.
Anyong nga sayo. Ito na pala yung Big Lagoon. Pakita mo yung Big Lagoon. Ito na po yung first destination namin ng Big Lagoon. Ito na. Magkakayak tayo dyan. Si Crystal.
Ano daw yung ano? Maalon.
Oo, yung Lagoon. Ito pala yung entrance.
Hindi, VIP ko kasi yan. Wait lang. Pero si sir, dito tayo.
Waiting for our kayak papunta dun sa boat na sasakyan natin.
Walang problema.
Ang dilim ng paningin ko.
Pag pinakamarasig.
John! Ano ba yung kuwan?
Balas tayo sa balas. Kita. Pwede pagkakit mo ko ni Masambag.
Oo, sige.
Briefing regarding to our tour for today. Okay? So thank you very much, ma'am sir. So first, ma'am sir, all of you are first time here in El Nido. First time? Second time? Okay. First, ma'am sir, welcome here in El Nido. So first, ma'am sir, our tour for today is Tour A. Tour A, am I right?
Yes.
Tour A, ma'am sir, is composed of 5 different destinations. So in every destination, ma'am sir, we will just stay for at least 35 to 40 minutes except our lunch area. Okay? Just because, ma'am sir, we need to prepare also of your food. Okay? Just almost 1 hour there. And also in our last stop, the Big Lagoon. Just because our activities there is kayaking, and also sometimes we don't have available kayak there. Okay? So first, ma'am sir, our first stop for today is the part of the Tour B. Instead of the 7 Commando, we go to the part of the Tour B, the Intalula Island. So the Intalula Island, ma'am sir, that's the number 4 world. That's the famous beach in the world, number 4, the Intalula. Just because, ma'am sir, the 7 Commando, that's nearest part for the inland. So there's a lot of mosquito there. So instead of 7 Commando, we go to the Intalula. Okay? So the second, ma'am sir, the snorkeling area. The South Minilok snorkeling area. Okay? The third, ma'am sir, that's most important. That is our lunch area, the Shimizu Island. Okay? So and also our fourth stop, ma'am sir, the Secret Lagoon. Okay? And also our last stop, the Big Lagoon. So the Secret Lagoon and also the Big Lagoon, that is the highlights for the part of Tour A. So again, ma'am sir, I would like to say, ma'am sir, here in El Nido, we have rules and regulations we need to follow, okay? So first, do not throw your garbage to the sea, okay? Or into the ocean. Like a cigarette butt and also plastic transparent, okay? Just because the primary food of the sea turtle is jellyfish, so sometimes they are eating them. So the second, ma'am sir, during swimming time or snorkeling time, please do not step the corals or stab the corals. Just because, ma'am sir, some corals is so itchy. And also, sometimes they leave dangerous animals there, like a sea urchin, stonefish, sea snakes, and also that's a very dangerous. Also, that's a very poisonous. Okay. So the third, ma'am, sir, collecting souvenirs from the island are not allowed. Also, okay, like a seashells, sands, and also any kinds of plants. Okay. So the fourth, ma'am, sir, fish feeding also are not allowed in the island. So the last, ma'am, sir, the most important. So all of you, ma'am, sir, are a good swimmer. Good swimmer. So if you are not a good swimmer, ma'am, sir, please just always wear your life vest or your life jacket, okay? Just because, ma'am, sir, all of you, your safety, ma'am, sir, is my priority, okay? Yes, ma'am, sir, once again, good morning, everyone. Sige po, wala po. Tara, ma'am, picture tayo. Sige, sige. Nakakala kayo yan.
Uy, ang ganda ng sand. Ganda. Yes, sexy naman. Ganda ng sand. Ganda nga ng sand. Malim na. Malimlim na. Lumalalim na. Bibigyan ng justice ng ano. Nakakangalay naman to sa likod. muka.